Catch an exception, raise a cleaner one, and lose the root cause forever. The from keyword prevents that. Exception chaining with from is built for abstraction layers. Say your data access layer catches a raw I/O error from the database driver. Your callers don't want to see that. They expect a meaningful database error. So you catch the low-level exception and raise a higher-level domain-specific one in its place. That translation is the classic use case for exception chaining. When you use from, Python stores the original exception in the new exception's done to cause attribute. Your traceback then shows both, the high-level database error at the top and the underlying I/O error below it. Every layer of context is preserved. For debugging production issues, this is invaluable. The full chain of events is visible without any guesswork. The syntax is straightforward. In an except block, write, raise new exception with your message, then the keyword from, then the original exception variable. Compare this to raising without from. The original cause is silently dropped. That one keyword is the difference between a traceback that guides you and one that leaves you guessing. Implicit chaining happens automatically. Any exception raised inside an except block gets the active exception attached as done to context. But from is explicit. It stores the cause in done to cause, signaling intentional causation. You can even write raise my error from none to suppress the chain entirely when the original error is irrelevant to the caller. Use from to translate exceptions across layers without losing the root cause. Your future self will thank you when debugging. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.